Hello, parents and sixth graders. Hey, I wanted to make a quick video to maybe help out with any confusion um, as we enter the next week of online learning. So, I know I talked a lot about the remote learning site, Google Classroom. I want to show everybody, parents and students included, of what I mean by the Google Classroom. So, on all the students' computers, they should have access to this Google Classroom. We've used it all this year. They should know what I mean by Google Classroom. When they go into the classroom, they should see the stream first of what I've been posting and all the announcements that I might make. If they go into the classwork tab, that's where they're going to be seeing all the assignments. Now, right now it's about 3:30 on April 9th. Remote learning site has not been updated as of right now. But I updated every assignment onto Google Classroom for students to view and then also to submit their assignments by April 16th um, at 11:59 p.m. That's the due date. That's a due date time as well. Now, I wanted to make it as simplistic and easy for everybody, so that's why I have instructions here about what we expect and how to submit. But also for each reading assignment, they're all right here. So this is the students' first stop as they're working on their schoolwork. Now, to make it easy so the students are not just flipping between the remote learning site and Google Classroom to submit things, I decided to take everything that will be going up on the remote learning site, all the instructions, and put them onto my Google Classroom. So, for example, what I mean by that, for the reading assignments, they're going to be seeing all the instructions for the next reading activity. Now, again, this is for next week from April 13th to April 16th. These are the assignments that they have a choice to do. Now, if we go back, these are the instructions right here, but over here, I made a copy of a Google document for each student to show me their work, and they can turn this in. Now, what that will look like is that when they click on this document, it's going to open up a black document that, again, they have a copy of. So each student can submit their own copy to me. So to go back again, and it's going to show me who turned it in and who did not turn it in. So for all students out there who are listening, please turn it in through this Google document and refrain from sending me other Google documents just through my email. This way I know who's turned it in and who's not. Okay. So again, for each assignment, it's listed right here. Let's say maybe you didn't want to use the format for Google Documents. Maybe you wanted to make a Google slideshow. That's fine. Just take screenshots of the Google Slides and then just copy and paste them onto the Google document and then send that to me. That's perfectly fine, guys. This way I can just keep track of who's submitting what and who might need help. I can go right to your document that you are working on, and I can help you with it if you need it. Okay. Again, all the assignments are right here. I apologize for any confusion if you probably checked the remote learning site. Again, it's about 3:30 on Thursday, April 9th. It might not be up, but this is up right now. It has all the instructions on the left-hand side for each content area, has all the instructions, all the choices that the kids have to offer, but also a document that, again, they can submit once they're finished their work. As always, guys, please make sure you're checking Google Classroom every day. Not only do I have the expected assignments for you guys to complete, but I also have a math challenge of the day provided by Mr. Bodie from Eshelman Elementary. But I also have 10-minute writing prompts that you can be doing just to, keep your brain being fresh and flexible with writing skills. And I also have a riddle of the day to challenge you guys. And then reading lists on SSR topic, keeping up with that 40 book challenge. And I've also been keeping up to date with our Harry Potter read aloud. I've uploaded onto YouTube the past 8 chapters that we've been doing here. So if you want to listen to me do a read aloud for Harry Potter, that's where you can find it here. So Google Classroom is your first stop shop for everything, guys. Please make sure to check it out. Again, as always, if you have any questions, feel free to email me, but for any submissions, please keep them to the areas right here in Google Classroom. So that's all for today, guys. Have a great time.